Hey everyone, this is Adam from UAV Coach, and if you're interested in flying a drone over people, today's going to be a quick and simple tutorial on how to fill out an operations over people waiver. So let's fly in. And if you want to learn about all of the regulations around flying over people, check out this video here for a more in-depth explanation. It'll also be linked down below. Now, the first step is to determine if you even need to fill out this waiver. So first you can go to the Part 107 waivers list, scroll down a bit, and you can see a lot of different waivers that you can fill out. So first we're going to scroll all the way down to operation over human beings. And it says, if you want to fly over a person with a small UAS, which does not meet conditions of operational categories 1, 2, 3, or 4, then you need to fill out this waiver. And if you want to find out which drones are in these categories, you can go over to the uasdoc.faa.gov website. I'll link down below. You can click filter by, go to type, and go to OOP, which just stands for operations over people. Click this, and now we're going to get a list of drones that fit into these categories. So if you do not have any of these drones, then you need to fill out a waiver to fly a drone over people legally. And this leads us to the website that you will fill the waiver out on, which used to be the FAA Drone Zone. But now you can see that when you open up the FAA Drone Zone, it directs us to a new link for operational waivers, which is the Aviation Safety Portal. We'll link to this below as well. All right, and now we're in the Aviation Safety Hub. Down below, you'll have any drafts that you've already submitted. If you haven't done any, you'll go up here to waivers, Part 107 waivers, and these are going to be for anything such as flying at night, over people, or beyond visual line of sight, which is exactly what we want. So we'll click apply. Introduction, begin application. All right, and then you're going to just fill out the operator information. For type of operator, I'm not a public safety organization, drone light show operator, or an agricultural operator. So I'll just click other and just put remote pilot in command. FAA industry partner, I'm not. And then click next. And now we will do the start date. And again, if you did this process on the FAA Drone Zone, it's basically the same types of questions in very similar layout. So start date, let's say we'll do it in a few days. 32/15/2026. All right, so we got our start date and our end date. We're just going to do a year for simplicity. Proposed location of operation. We'll provide some prompts in the description of what you can put here, but again, just follow the directions of where the operation will take place, including lat and longitude, and then any other relevant information that they think you'll need. Again, a real person is going to be reviewing this, so the more information you give, usually the better. And then you can upload a photo if you want. Is there a pending or approved waiver that's also associated? Let's say no. We'll do daylight and civil twilight for time of day, just in case we want to go anytime during sunrise or sunset. And for that, we will need anti-collision light. I'm going to be using the Air 2S for this example, which is 595 grams. That's it, grams. Not be transporting any property. Let's say that I'll be flying from my car. Visual line of sight. We will have visual line of sight. Visibility, yes. Single aircraft. Will the remote pilot in command operate? Yes. One drone at a time. Right of way, of course. Max ground speed, let's say 20 miles per hour. And let's assume that we've got approval for 400 feet. Distance from clouds. Yes, we will be flying the drone farther than 2,000 feet horizontally or 500 feet below the clouds. Over people or moving vehicles, yes. Let's say it's not compliant. Most drones are not compliant with that unless it's like a DJI Neo or a custom build FPV drone. And let's say over moving vehicles, we are going to fly over those as well. So click next, requested waivers, and it automatically fills out operation over people and operation over moving vehicles. If there's any others that you want to add, you can just check these here. Those look good though. Go to supporting documentation. And now here's where you can upload a PDF basically detailing the operation more. Click that. We'll just skip this for now. And then again, here we're going to be just providing a lot more information. Here's another prompt that you can use. Again, we'll provide this in the description, and then you just fill out the details of the operation. What is the takeoff weight? You'd fill all of this out. Operational removing vehicles. Again, the same thing as we did above, and the takeoff weight. And then we would just submit the waiver. That is how to fill out an operational waiver in the new Aviation Safety Hub. Again, it's extremely similar to the FAA drone zone process. You just have to create an account here, and we'll provide links to all of this below. And this is what the final waiver looks like. One important detail to note is that when using this waiver, you cannot obtain airspace authorization through Lance apps. Instead, you'll need to apply for authorization via the FAA's Drone Zone website. One of our team members completed it, and he said it took about 2 months. He applied on June 25th, and a month in, he got an additional information request to just answer some additional questions for it, and then he finally got it approved on August 26th. So it took 2 months for him to get this waiver. So just keep that in mind if you are filling this out for yourself or for your team. It could take a while. So that is what the entire process looks like if you want to fill out a waiver to fly a drone over people. We hope that this video helps and could clear up some confusion surrounding this topic. We'd love to know in the comment section below if you've applied for this waiver yet, or if you are looking to do so. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future drone tutorials. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.